Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to disconnect headphone to our phone. Guys, you have connected guys any headphone, and guys you have connected any Bluetooth device, and guys you want to disconnect the device. So how to disconnect Bluetooth device in our oppo phone. In this video friends, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. Sorry friends, I paused the video because of sound. So it's now time to start video friends. First of all, open your phone setting to disconnect guys your headphone. So we will on our phone setting guys, click on your Bluetooth setting, and once you can see guys, I have connected guys this Breton BT company headphone, and guys I want to disconnect. So you can see right side the icon guys, tap here to disconnect. So once you can see disconnect option guys, you want to disconnect, so you can disconnect from here. So a headphone will disconnect, and as you want to use, so you will have to just only click, then it will connect automatic. So like that guys, you can disconnect your headphone to your phone. That's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.